In this problem, we will discuss the minimum speed of the projectile when it is projected from the surface of one sphere and it reaches the surface of other sphere. Here you see there are two uniform solid spheres of equal radii r, but mass are m and 4m. Suppose the mass of this sphere is m and mass of this sphere is 4m. Radius of this sphere is r and radius of this sphere also r, and the two spheres are separated at a distance 6r. You see in the figure the distance of separation between the centers of the two spheres, it is equal to 6r. And the two spheres are held fixed. A projectile of mass m is projected from the surface of the sphere of mass m directly towards the center of the second sphere of mass 4m, and we have to find out the minimum speed of the projectile so that the projectile reaches the surface of the second sphere. The projectile is acted upon by two mutually opposing gravitational forces. One gravitational force due to this mass m and another gravitational force due to this mass 4m. And you have a position where the two forces cancels each other. And suppose this position is n, which is called the neutral point. So here n is the neutral point which is at a distance, suppose r, from the center of the sphere of mass m. And using Newton's universal law of gravitation, since the two forces are equal, this is the gravitational force due to the sphere of mass m, and this is the gravitational force due to the sphere of mass 4m, and we have placed the mass small m at the neutral point. So this force is equal to this force. So if you solve this, then you will get at a distance 2r from the mass m, you have the neutral point. You will have two values of r, one is 2r, another one is your minus 6r, but minus 6r is not considered here. And the mechanical energy at the surface of the sphere of mass m is equal to the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy, and this is the potential energy due to the two masses m and 4m, and this is the kinetic energy. And the mechanical energy at the neutral point will be equal to En, and that will be equal to the potential energy, because when the body moves from the mass m towards the neutral point, its kinetic energy decreases, and at the neutral point the kinetic energy is equal to 0, and the total energy of the body is only potential energy. So at the neutral point, the mechanical energy En will be equal to this much, which is equal to the potential energy. And applying conservation of energy, the mechanical energy at the surface of the mass m is equal to the mechanical energy at the neutral point n. So if you equate these two equations, then you will get the speed of the projectile. So this is the minimum speed of the projectile so that it reaches the surface of the second sphere. And you remember the speed of the projectile is 0 at the neutral point, but is non-zero when it strikes the heavier sphere 4m, because when the projectile moves from the sphere of mass m, its kinetic energy decreases and potential energy increases, and at the neutral point the potential energy is maximum and kinetic energy is 0. Then when again the projectile moves towards the sphere of mass 4m, its potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy, and when it reaches the sphere of mass 4m, its velocity will increase, And this physics is applicable when a body moves from one planet to other planet. When the body moves from suppose Earth to any other planet, suppose Mars, we use this principle.